2010 Dodge Challenger V6. What we got done on it for you guys. Factory converters, as usual. Then we true dualed it all the way back. It comes factory with single exhaust. I'll show it to you guys in a second. So we true dualed it and put some full bore performance JFPs 2 1/4 right there. Here's the part number on them. Right there. There'll be a link in the description for them. Right there. They look like freaking torpedoes. Really nice setup. Then we did 2 1/4 out the back. All the way on each side. There and there. And then we put them some 3-inch tips. He didn't want it over too much, so not too big. Right there. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. There's the Y pipe setup that was on it. The muffler, and he had the resonator cut off earlier. There it is. Looks so much cleaner now, a lot nicer. That's what you were looking for?
Yes.
Sounds like a V8. I told you.
I knew what would make the sound.
Much better. It does sound like a V6. Your sound decibels? Again? It hit 111 earlier. Go ahead and back it out.
Hey, don't talk about how dirty.
That's clean, man. What do you guys think of the sound? JF is full bore. What you guys hear on the inside?